In this particular channel, the majority of the videos that I publish are basically mathematics. It's been a while since I've done one in mathematics, focused on technology and other areas. But I'm going to start a series of short math videos on different topics of mathematics, going from algebra, trig, calculus, basic statistics, graphing calculators, and so forth. And I'm going to try to make these short, hopefully. And if you see a topic that you want to see more detailed problems or longer video, please post it in the comment section below. Appreciate that. So in this particular one, we're going to look at what is a logarithm. I've done some videos on logarithms before, solving equations involving logs, graphing logarithms, and so forth. So this is a very basic question here. What is a logarithm? Well, we start with the definition. It states the log of some number x to a base b is equal to the number L. Let's let L be the logarithm. If and only if the x right here is equal to this base b taken to the L power. Okay, so that's your definition. And this is called, this right here is called the logarithmic form. And this right here is called the exponential form. And the condition must be that b must be a positive number, okay? And it cannot be equal to 1, okay? So it could be a fraction, 1/2, 1/3. It could be a base 10, base 45, whatever, as long as it satisfies these conditions, okay? So if I write, what is the log, using the definition, we'll answer the question in a little bit, but let's look at some examples. Let's look at the log of some number 8, okay, to base 2. Okay. So this is saying the logarithm of the number 8 to base 2 is equal to what number? Okay. Well, if you look at the exponential form, we're looking for a number L. So that if we take this base to that particular power, it's going to give us the number x. Okay, so we're saying then we want to know 8 should equal to base 2 to what power? Well, you know, 2 times 2 times 2 is 8, so obviously this is 3. So this should be 3. Okay, so log of 8 to base 2 is equal to 3. Let's look at another example. We want to know what is the log of, say, 9 to base 3. Okay, so you look at the definition, we're looking for a number so that if I take this base to that power, it'll give me this number right here. Okay, so you can say, okay, 9 should equal to 3 to what power? Well, 3 times 3 is 9, so this should be 2. Okay? So this then is your logarithmic form. This is your exponential form. One more example. Let's try the log of 1 to base 10. So that's simply saying 1 is equal to 10 to what power? 1 is equal to 10 to what power? Well, we know that 10 to the 0 is 1. So this is going to be 0. So it should be clear to you then, based on that, that if I say what is the log of any number you want here, okay, well, let's say 1 here, again, and you pick any base, as long as it's positive and greater than 1. So this is any base, whether it's 2, 3, 1/2, 1,000, the log of 1 to that base would have to be 0, because that's the only way you're going to get b to the 0 equal to 1, okay? And the only thing I want to point out here again, then, if you have a log of some number say 7, and doesn't have a base written, it's always understood to be base 10. Okay. And obviously on this particular one, we couldn't do it this way because we don't have an exact answer. So you would have to use a calculator to compute this. In the same way, if I have the natural log of any other number, say 9, and I don't include the base, that base is always e. Okay, so this is the same thing as saying the natural, or let me just do it this way. I use this format, right? LOG, but then I'd have to write e, because LOG by itself, if no base, means base 10. Okay, and again for this one, you would have to use a calculator. Okay, so let's answer the question: what is a logarithm? Well, you can say it's a number, right? But more specifically, it's an exponent. A logarithm is an exponent. That should be clear from the examples that we've done. Okay. Again, I'll be doing these short videos on different topics, and if you see one that deals with the topics that you want to see more videos on that, and I do have a lot of videos on my channel here involving math. I don't get the views that I want, so if you have some suggestions as to what math videos you want to see, again, please post them in the comment section below, and I'll be glad to look at those suggestions. Thank you for watching, and wish you next time. Stay safe.